Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFI token. In my previous videos, I've been showing you a huge breakout that was happened on the weekly time frame chart from a very big down channel. And this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, YFI token has dropped down at this long-term support of $5,000. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to show you another down channel that has been formed on the daily time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for YFI token that I shared with my members a few hours ago. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for YFI that I shared almost 1 hour ago with my members. And that is a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that YFI token has formed on the weekly time frame chart. And still it is moving inside this potential reversal zone. And I'm expecting that soon it can start a massive price reversal from here. And before this, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bat move in the month of November 2020, on 12th of November 2022. And this pattern was getting formed with Bitcoin pair on a 4 hour time frame chart. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down. And once it will be entered here in this potential reversal zone, then we can expect a massive price reversal from here. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped down and completed the leg here. And then we had almost 32% rally. You can see it rallied beyond the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley, not the Gartley, a bat move. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've already shared. Now let's move to the live chart. And this is the weekly time frame chart. Here we can see that YFI token was moving inside a very, very long-term down channel. And even before the breakout, I have been showing you this channel. I have been telling you that in order to finish this downtrend and start a long-term rally to the upside and start a long-term uptrend, we need to break out this very long-term downtrend line resistance of this down channel. And you can see that finally we have broken out the resistance in the month of January 2023. We had a nice rally, and if I place this measurement tool from this low of January 2023 up to this high of Feb 2023, then you can see it was more than 123% rally, but the price line could not continue its move. In fact, it formed a double top here, and after forming this double top, the price line has dropped down. And right now you can see it is testing this very long-term support of $5,000. In fact, it has tested this support. And after that, it has bounced from this support. Previously, it has been working as a nice support here and as a support here as well. And if YFI token breaks down this support, then the next support will be here at $4,019. But in my point of view, it will be very difficult for YFI token to break down this support, because if we take a look at the oscillators, then you can see that stochastic has completely entered the oversold zone and we have received a bull cross. And previously you can see when it was oversold almost at the same level, then we had more than 123% rally. Before that, you can see it was oversold here at the same level where it has entered right now. Then you can see that we had another very nice rally. And if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then it is also showing a bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart. You can see that RSI is forming higher low than previous low. And at the same time, above the RSI, you can see that the price line is forming slightly lower than previous low. If you watch the lowest price value here, you can, by the way, watch the value here. That is $5,015, and the lowest price value here is $4,816. So there is a bullish divergence on this chart, as the oscillator is forming higher high, higher low, and the price line is forming lower than the previous low. Therefore, that is another reason that YFI token can start another bullish reversal from here. And at the same time, it has formed another bullish bias pattern on the daily time frame chart. You can see this, the down channel that is already considered as a bullish bias pattern among the traders community. We are dropped down at the very long-term support of $5,000 as well. And you can see this long spike of candlestick is showing that bears are really weak at this area. And you can see that we have touched this support, and the price line has moved up, and right now it is trying to break out the resistance of this channel. Once it will be able to break out the resistance of the channel, then in my point of view, this cardinal move can be triggered, and the price line can soon hit the target for this cardinal move. By the way, the targets as per this cardinal move are from $8,200 to $10,167. However, once the price line will be able to break out this channel, then the technical target for this down channel will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $10,000. And the technical target for this Bitget down channel that can be quite long term, that is here at the top of the channel, that is between $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.